What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. As y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what's going on. Ain't too much to explain. We finna try to get it. Every video I do, I'm trying, you know what I'm saying, to do what the title say. Not saying I'm gonna do it to the T, you know what I'm saying, but we finna get straight into it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bells so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? And as y'all can see, we're in this lovely neighborhood right here. I don't know where to start, but y'all look at this crib, though. Look at these cribs, man. Look at these cribs, man. Well, we can't hit a cut up, though. You know what I'm saying? Let them know who is. But you can't make a little noise in a rich neighborhood. Nothing too crazy. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, man. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that like button, man. We're gonna go back the other way, cause I seen a little street. Had some nice cribs on it. I think I'm going the wrong way. Like a little cut up. Y'all see the houses though, man. He more smooth, man. You have to use y'all driveway. Right quick. Full probably like, boy, well, who it is, boy? Well, who this is, boy? My dumb man, hold on. Started with the low life. Face eye. That's what that boy Future said. See, y'all boy don't know nothing about that low life. Boy, I just had a glitch. I don't never stutter, but boy, I just had a glitch just then. Y'all know that song Low Life, bro, The Weeknd. Featured The Weeknd with Future on that mother, man. Y'all boy don't know nothing about that. That was like 2016 or something like that, 2017, I don't know. All I know before 2018, 2019. How y'all feel if y'all was at home? For all the car lovers out there, not the Karens, all the car lovers, you know. You was at home, man, and you just hear a nice, lovely V8 just come through your neighborhood and bless it. You got a big boat. Come through the neighborhood and just bless your ears. Just come through the neighborhood and bless your ears, you know what I'm saying? That crib right there. Let's see if I can get a little thumbnail. I'm out of town, thugging with my rounds. I don't know where I'm at, so don't ask me now. Face that. It's nice out here though. I ain't gonna lie, man. My bad. I'm showing more of the houses than anything. You feel me? That house hard. I'm not gonna cap. That be hard, boy. Ooh, cutting up in a fancy neighborhood, huh? Well, would you look at this? They play a hay, man. They ain't want to make enough road for Olivia to, you know what I'm saying, cut up on. I see your curve. Appreciate you, Olivia. I see you. Y'all boy left hand working like mine over the steering wheel, you know what I mean? Hell yeah. It's a little chilly outside, boy. It's a little chilly outside. As y'all can see, man, just out here. We just out here really snooping. Seeing what's going on. There's houses back there. I don't even know how you get over there. Oh, man. Is it dead end day? Like, what's going on, man? Nah, you know I ain't from it. They probably like, this nigga just riding around. I mean, y'all ain't never seen me before, so of course. Sorry, car crew. This video starting off a little rugged, man. I don't know what's going on. I went back the other way, but it seemed like that was going. I might need to go back that way. Yeah. Like I might need to go back that way, car crew. I don't know. I guess we're going back the other way. I guess I was supposed to go that way. My bad. I thought I was going the wrong way. So we're gonna go back that way. Doing all this for y'all, man. I don't care what nobody say, man. Olivia sound good, bro. She might not be loud, and she might not be the loudest. But she sound good though. That's the difference. See, I don't even really care about being the loudest, bro. I just want to sound good. You know what I'm saying? When folks hear me, they be like, "Damn, I know what that is. I know what that is, boy." Damn. And when y'all hit dips in the car that sit low, do y'all squeeze y'all face every time? Do y'all squeeze y'all face every time? Like y'all be like, like. You know, you think they be gonna scrub or something, and they don't. And you be like, damn. So glad that ain't scrubbed. Just a light little cut up, man. I ain't going too crazy. It's Vlogmas, you feel me? So videos every day. Like I said, y'all boy gotta respect. Y'all boy gotta respect the hustle, man. Gotta respect the hustle, respect the grind. Respect the grind, man. There's a couple houses there, some nice houses too. I can't even cap. I should have drifted the whole curve right here. If I was coming in hot by 50 miles an hour, I could do it. There's more. Man, I should have went that way. It's so that house is blue. I ain't never seen no blue house like that, but that ain't your ordinary blue. Somebody got some explaining to do with that kind of blue in their crib, but ain't no way you love blue that much. Ain't no lie, but some like, oh my lord. Hey man, this motivation right here, but god damn. But it be tough. No cap. That be hard. Yeah, that be hard. Well, you got 4 doors in your front yard. That bitch got 4 doors in the front of the crib. Okay. All right. Stop thinking, car. I forgot my tent door. Ooh, but yeah, hold on. Guess y'all gotta see the real view. Hey man, that be hard. Ooh, that be tough. What y'all thinking, man? What y'all thinking? I'm supposed to be cutting up. I done got sidetracked. That be hard too. That be hard, boy. Look at cut right here. I ain't finna hit you on your little ass dog, man. That's why you stay on the side of the road. You ain't gotta worry about getting hit. You know what I mean? It's nice, buddy. Now some of these houses are too close, but it's nice back here though. For the most part, some of these houses are too close for my liking, for what they probably paying for them. But hey, these more hard. Big driveway, I love big driveway, boy. That room for Olivia to slide in. You know? I might have me a cul-de-sac in my house, car crew. Like, I'm in my yard. I might have a cul-de-sac in my yard just for me to purposely make video for y'all, boy. Practice and go crazy. You know what I'm saying? So when I go to a takeover, but they're gonna be like, well, you doing this too remotely, like remotely good. Like, I'm telling you, bro, I'm gonna have a driveway. You're gonna pull into that bit, it's gonna be like a lollipop. I'm gonna call that bit a lollipop. The lollipop crib, you know what I'm saying? Lollipop lane, ugly. Olivia ain't gonna pop for nothing. Your houses all back there. But this neighborhood will confuse you. I ain't gonna lie. What kind of neighborhoods I like. What kind of neighborhoods I like. Now, what in the world is this? Is me coming through the backside or something? Oh, this is a little golf course. Okay. If I hear golfing, you know, supposed to be quiet before golf. Not for me. I don't care, because I don't golf. And if you need silence to golf outside, shut up, Biddy. You're outside. Cuz probably like, dang, that man made me up. Yes, sir. But nah, I ain't gonna lie, that motivation, I gotta ride back through that one day. I ain't gonna lie, but that's a nice, hey, that's a nice neighborhood right there. That is a nice neighborhood right there, ladies and gentlemen. Well, mostly gentlemen, because there ain't no ladies on here watching. You know what I'm saying? What type of activities? But, man, nevertheless, stick 'em. Yeah, man. Like I said, man, we grinding every day this month. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boys just take the time to think about, dang, bro, this man really recording every day. So far, thus far, I've been recording every day, posting every day. You know what I'm saying? Burning gas every day, burning oil every day. Burning, well, I ain't burning tires, but using tires every day. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all boy, man, you know what I'm saying? Show some love, man. Like the video. Like the video, bro. That's all I ask. I don't have no ads on the video, so y'all can watch the video uninterrupted. You know what I'm saying? So, like, y'all boy, just show some love, man. Like the video. Get the video to 50 likes. 50. We're gonna do, that's a goal. That's a like goal for every video, bro. 50. That ain't nothing. It is, but it ain't. You know what I'm saying? For y'all, 50, bro. 50 likes. That's all I ask, bro. 50 likes. 50. You know what I'm saying? That's all I ask. But, nevertheless, you know what I'm saying? That's for the real car crew. You know what I'm saying? The ones that been down, that been here for a minute. You feel me? Hit that like button, man. Especially if you been subscribed for a while, bro. Like, hit that like button, man. You seen where we came from, bro. We came for nothing. You know what I'm saying? We came for nothing, man. So you should be proud of this moment right now. But yeah, man. I make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And like I say, man, at the end of my videos, I was finna say something different. Cause I told you I want to do something a little shorter. But, you know what I'm saying? Well, something I always got to say, or at least mention. Y'all boys stay prayed up, man. Stay blessed. You feel me? Talk to the Lord every day, man. You know what I'm saying? Try to choose the right choice. It's hard to do it. You know what I'm saying? Especially on your circumstances and how you been and where you coming from and how you trying to switch it up in life. But hey, man, try to make the right choices. We ain't gonna always make the right choice, but try, you know what I'm saying, to make the right choice. You feel me? But nevertheless, man, like how I say in all the end of my videos as well, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.